In this tutorial video, let's learn how to make an international wire transfer from your Cloud Bank account. Select Cloud Bank from the home page. Click Wire and choose International Wire. Enter the amount and select your desired Cloud Bank account. Select your payee from this drop-down or add a new payee by clicking here. Make sure you have added the international bank account details of the payee. Then select Purpose Code, Required Details, and enter the memo. Enable the checkbox if this transaction is initiated on behalf of someone. Then click Wire Now. Enter the OTP received in your registered email or phone and click on Submit OTP. You have successfully completed your payment.